Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss and then I will teach you on how to write a program that will prompts or ask the user to give a number, and then our program will compute the cube value of a given number using JavaScript programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here HTML, head, title of our program, cube a number in JavaScript, script type, text, JavaScript. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give a number. We are using parseInt to convert the number into integer format. It will be stored in num_val cube. Assignment statement: val cube, we multiply numVal 3 times. And then the title of our program, the comment write cube a number in JavaScript, header 1. And then the given number, num_val, it will display the original number, and then the comment write cube of the given number is cube. Script, we close the script, head, and HTML. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today, in my 2 websites for free. Let us go with our online compiler. I'm using gs.do. So let us click the run code button, enter a number. Let's say we have 6. The given number 6, cube a number in JavaScript, the given number 6, the cube of the given number is 216. Let us run again. Let's say we have 2, cube a number in JavaScript, the given number is 2, the cube of the given number is 8. For the third time, we have here 3, the given number 3, cube of the given numbers is 27. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on cube a number in JavaScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.